To resolve the issue of Flybys not showing in the Strava app, start by opening your App Store. At the bottom row, you'll see options including Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and a search button. Click on the search button to access the search bar. Type in Strava and select the Strava, Run, Bike, and Hike option to download the app. Once downloaded, exit the App Store and locate the Strava app on your device. Open the Strava app to investigate the issue with your Flybys. First, check if the app is up to date, as an outdated version may be causing problems if your activity's privacy control is set to Everyone. Go to your activities, select an activity, and click on the three dots to edit it. Change the visibility to Everyone to ensure it can be viewed by others. Next, go to the gear icon in the top right corner and access your privacy controls. Find the Flybys option and set it to Everyone to enable it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Flybys not showing in the Strava app.